Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Ticketmaster account on your device. In order to delete Ticketmaster account, you'll have to log in from the web browser, so make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your web browser, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open your web browser, on the search box type in ticketmaster.com. You can find the link on my description box as well. On the other page, you'll have to tap on the correct website, that is www.ticketmaster.com. Here you can see that I'm already logged in, and on this following page, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. As you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on My Account. So as soon as you tap on My Account, on the other page you have all your information. So what you have to do is scroll down. So right at the bottom you can see there is We are here to help. So what you have to do is you'll have to tap on Visit Our Help Center. As you tap on it, on the other page you can see right in center there's a search box. Type in closing. On the other page you have a whole page of article, and right on top there is closing a My Account profile. So you'll have to tap on it. On the other page, once again there is an update, so then make sure to go through it, and what you have to do is you'll have to tap on Us in order to access the link. As you tap on Us, on the other page you have a general section of confirmation, so then make sure to go through it and then answer it correctly. As you're deleting your account, so you must provide your information, so then make sure to enter your correct information. Once you're done entering your information, right at the bottom, don't forget to mark on I'm not a robot. Once you're done, tap on Submit. Right over here you can see that in order to confirm your identity, a confirmation link has been sent. So the confirmation link has been sent through an email, so then you must check your email. Right over here you can see there is an update, so before deleting your account, make sure to go through it and then tap on Confirm Email, which is right at the bottom. Once you tap on Confirm Email, your deletion request will be submitted, and all you have to do is you'll have to wait patiently for them to look into your matter or delete your account. That is how you can delete your Ticketmaster account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.